Aldol reaction and condensation. Basically, like many students have a confusion that aldol reaction and condensation are same, but actual में ऐसा नहीं है. They are different. So in this video, let's try to learn aldol condensation and aldol reaction also. Basically, the first question is what type of reactions, what type of molecules give aldol reaction? There are very great chances that in your exam you will find an MCQ question that which of the following gives aldol reaction. Okay, which of the following molecules give aldol reaction? So first of all, for giving aldol reaction, a molecule must have alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen. Now, what is alpha hydrogen? See, for example, CH3 CHO. Now, CHO is the functional group, and the carbon which is just next to the functional group, CH3, is alpha carbon. This is alpha carbon. And the hydrogens of this alpha carbon are called alpha hydrogens. Now, because this compound has this alpha hydrogen, this will give aldol reaction. In the same way, if we have CH3, C double bond, OCH3, although this is a ketone, but this has 2 alpha carbons and 6 alpha hydrogens in total, this will also give this reaction. Okay, if I talk about HCHO, formaldehyde or methanol, listen, this has no alpha carbon and obviously then no alpha hydrogen. See, this hydrogen, the both of the hydrogens belong to the functional group carbon only. There is no carbon next to the CHO group. There is no alpha carbon. This one will not give aldol reaction or condensation. Now, another molecule is this benzaldehyde. Now, if you have a look at this compound, this has alpha carbon, but that alpha carbon has no hydrogen. So, compound has no alpha hydrogen. So it's not about like having alpha carbon, it's more about having alpha hydrogen. If there is a carbon next to the functional group, which is called alpha carbon, and that carbon has few hydrogens attached to it, then only the molecule will undergo aldol reaction or condensation, otherwise not. Okay, now what is this reaction? I'll tell you a trick also, like how to remember this. See, let's say there's a molecule CH3 CHO, and there's 2 moles of this, and we heat or we react this with any base, NaOH, KOH, any base. So the product formed will be CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO. Now how I made it, like what is the steps, how can we learn, how can we do it ourselves, I'll let you know all those things. But first, let me introduce this reaction to you. This product formed is called aldol, obviously because it has aldehyde and alcohol. Aldol. Now, till this step, this is called aldol reaction. If I go one step further and heat this compound formed, then water is removed. Water is released. How? So, OH is released, and the hydrogen from adjacent carbon is also released, resulting into formation of double bond CH double bond CH CHO. Now after removing this water, if I go till this step, it is called aldol condensation. So without removing water, it's aldol reaction. After removing water, it is aldol condensation. Now comes this thing. How can we do it ourselves? See, let me first tell you what happened here. For doing aldol condensation, for aldol condensation to take place, we need two different two molecules, obviously two molecules, two aldehyde molecules. The first one reacts with base Base removes one of the alpha hydrogen from one of the molecules. Result CH2 minus C double bond O H. How do we get this minus? One of the alpha hydrogens have been removed. This OH took this alpha hydrogen with it, okay, resulting into formation of this anion. Now, in this step number 2, the anion which was formed in the first step will attack the carbonyl carbon of another aldehyde molecule. Result will be CH3 CHO CH2. That's it. Definitely. Then after it reacts with water to give the final product CH3 CHOH CH2 CHO. Now, this was the mechanism. It is technically a nucleophilic addition reaction. We take two molecules of aldehyde. First removes alpha hydrogen to become a nucleophile, and it adds to the another molecule. This was the mechanism. Trick, short trick. What is the short trick to do? The short trick is all you need to do is to write two molecules of the aldehydes side by side. And it's better if you write one of the molecules in such a way. Done? Now what you need to do, alpha hydrogen of one of the aldehyde molecules gets attached to the oxygen of another aldehyde molecule. And that particular alpha carbon along with the entire molecule gets attached to the carbonyl carbon of another molecule. Hydrogen goes to oxygen, the entire rest of the molecule goes to the carbon. We get the product instantaneously, CH3 CHO. This color coding is to make this clear to you. CH2 CHO. That's it. Aldol is formed. Okay, one more. Now what happens in case of, like, if I talk about this molecule, CH3 CH2 CHO, 2 moles of this treated with base, definitely an aldehyde with alpha hydrogen and base, there has to be aldol reaction. To complete this, do same thing, write both the like there are two molecules involved, so write both of the molecules side by side. Done. Mark the alpha hydrogen of one of the molecules, alpha carbon in fact. The alpha hydrogen, one of the alpha hydrogen goes to oxygen, and the entire molecule with that particular carbon goes to the carbonyl carbon of another molecule. Product CH3 CH2 CHO. O has hydrogen, CH CH3 CHO. Okay, that's it. Now, can you tell me IUPAC name of this compound? If you can, just let me know in the comment section and I'll let you know if you're right or wrong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the chemistry concept and share this video with your friends also. All the best for exam.